Lods, fried chicken naman tayo. Yan ang ating maiba naman, fried chicken. Oh, yummy. Fried chicken. Yummy, yummy. Makain ba kayo yan, mga lods? Shout out Edward Pitts. Yummy, oh. Pa-crispy natin, mga lods. Crispy chicken.